Let's explore how to navigate Moodle. First, from the dashboard, you can scroll down to see the calendar, your list of courses, and any upcoming events. There's lots of helpful stuff right here. Next, let's head to the home page. Here, you'll find news and updates, and a list of course categories. You can also search for specific courses right here. Now onto the My Courses page. This is where you'll see all the courses you're currently enrolled in. If you've got lots of them, you can use the search bar to find exactly what you need. Just tap any course to open it up. Oh, and don't forget the sidebar. You can expand it to quickly access different parts of Moodle anytime. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.